How to use FaceTime on iPhone. This video teach you how to set up and use FaceTime to make video and audio calls. You have to do this on your iPhone or Mac. Number 1. Open your iPhone setting. It is a gray app with gear on it. You have likely find it on the home screen. Number 2. Scroll down and tap FaceTime. It's about a third of the way down the setting page. Number 3. Tap user able ID for FaceTime. You have find this option near the middle of the page. Number 4. Enter your Apple ID, email address and password. Type in the email address and password that you used to log into your Apple account. Number 5. Tap sign in. It's below the sign in window. This will enable additional option on the FaceTime page. Number 6. Make sure your phone number and email address are correct. Beneath these, you can be reached by FaceTime at heading in the middle of the page. Check the phone number and email address to ensure that they are correct. Phone number and email address with check mark next to them are correctly placed. People can reach you via FaceTime. Tap a check email address or phone number to remove the check mark. Number 7. Slide FaceTime right to on. This switch is at the top of the screen. The switch will turn green when FaceTime is enabled. If the switch is already green, FaceTime is enabled.